Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video we will learn how can we create a template on the Clickup app. Let's get started. Once you open the Clickup, you will get this page. Go to the Teams spaces. In this you have to click on any space and just go to space setting, click on the create new. Go to the from template and just choose any template from here. Now click on the use template and you can just add folder name. Select the location that you want to add here, and now if you want to import everything, then click on this, and if you want to customize import items, click on this. You can customize, you can just detect the buttons that you don't want to import. This is how you can do this. Project dates you can import as it is, and you can also remap dates. Click on this. You can add a start date. Now add a end date. If you want, click on this, and import all tasks as open. If you want to import all tasks, then click like this, and if you don't want this, then again click on this, it is deactivated. Now click on the use template. So now you can see your template is creating. Please wait for a few seconds, it will be seen here. Now you can see this is our new template. So that's it for this video guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this, and I will see you in the next video.